I'm following your company. I'm very glad to meet you today.
Are you?
Yes, I work for a company that develops a different system for security, safety. I think we recently developed a product that would benefit your customers. Could I be able to leave you my business card, and maybe if you have time, you can, I can tell you more about this product?
Yes, of course.
Because you don't have any time.
Do you do things for office buildings?
Yes, housings, and we work a lot on safety of our customers and different kind of safety solutions.
Do you think we have a security issue here?
We might have. Our new product can help us to improve our security.
All right, okay.
Thank you for your time. I'm
looking forward to I will drop you an email.
Thank you very much. Hello, sir. How are you?
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you so much. I'm also in the marketing business, because I'm following you like all of your social media accounts, and I'm a big fan of you. I know you're an important man and you don't have so much time, but if you give me just 1 second, I can give you
we've got until the 10th floor, so
I can give you my card.
Alright.
I have an idea. I think it's really innovative and need-oriented. It's about 3D nail printers. If you have any interest, 3D nail printers.
3D nail printers.
It's time saving. It's real time saving and economical for the ladies who think about their beauty. And if you have any interest, you can call me and write me an email.
Do you think my wife would be happier?
I think so,
with this
because
product?
we go to like at least once a week to the salons to make our nail style, but with this product we don't need to anymore.
Alright, so that sounds interesting. I'll give you a call these days.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Alright.
My name is Ivan. I'm a technical manager at the Global Video Production, and I'm selling video camera for your house to be more safe and to have more security in your ear. So our video camera is the last generation, and we have a very high quality of this video camera, also for the internal, also for the external in your yard. So if you have time, I give you my card.
Do you do color?
Yes, the card for color and with the external speakers.
Can I control the camera from the...
Yes, you can control. We have a nice bigger with the 1 terabyte memory. So if you decide, you can contact us in your gallery.
Alright, okay.
Good service.
Thanks a lot, I'll think about it.
How are you doing today? You look tired. You know why I am asking, by the way. I have a company and we are making really good organic energy drinks, supplementary.
Are you?
Yeah.
Do you, what kind of energy drinks do you?
They're really good organic supplementaries. So if you want, I have my business card with me and I can send you some samples. You can try for free. And then if you like them, you can buy more.
Do you have any sugar? Do you have something without sugar?
Yeah, we have. We have many options. So you can check my website and let me know which one you prefer and I will send you your address.
But you seem very decided, so
I'm sure it will help you a lot.
why don't you come up in my office? We can
okay, we can discuss more. Okay, sure. I will have a really short presentation about the products if you are interested. Perfect.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so let's go.
Okay.